it's really a special type of lecture that I've never seen anywhere else or given anywhere else.
I would say that I really envy these students.
Oh my, they're young, they're interested.
For me, it's an amazing opportunity that I never said something like this before.
I just realized that math is so broad. There are so many topics.
Every mathematician here is very inspiring for me.
I decided to come here to the summer school because I was very interested in knowing the lecturers who are coming, because they are actually mathematicians doing research right now, and I wanted to know if I liked what my career could do.
Well, I've always loved math, to do math, and at high school, it wasn't enough difficult, and I didn't know anybody who loved math like me, so it was to meet other people.
The reason I decided to take part of it is because first, you never have this amazing opportunity to have these leading mathematicians from all over the world in the same place. Like, if this happens, mostly they just do it for discussing research and stuff. So I don't see any better opportunity to get this knowledge from really advanced mathematicians in this situation where they decide to teach to young students the mathematical research that is going on in the world right now. So, I mean, I've never heard of something similar ever, actually. Like, every time I hear about meetings of high-level mathematicians, it's just meetings of high-level mathematicians, not with young people. So, for me, it's an amazing opportunity that I never said something like this before.
When I was in their age, I was not able to attend anything like that. Such schools were not available, let alone international schools. I grew up in Soviet Union, so anything which would be happening there would be isolated from the rest of the world. It's an important part of this format. There are 40 plus countries. There were, I don't know exactly the number this year, but let's say about 40 countries represented here. And that's a great opportunity to meet people as well.
Well, it's a great deal of fun. I hope also for the young people, but certainly for the lecturers. One never gets an opportunity like that to talk to a mixture of extremely gifted people, both from high school and from university, who are very curious, who want to hear so many things and who are so enthusiastic. So I think it's really a lot of fun for the lecturers, and certainly I wouldn't want to miss it.
It's just perfect. I mean, we can do sports or games, and at the beginning of the summer school, nobody knows, so it's really easy to have friends and everything. And of course, there is a common interest for math. So
I think it's a good idea that they give us space and time to relax, because the lectures are very difficult, and then we need time to think about other things. And they have great sports facilities, and we organize some volleyball games and basketball games.
Yeah, I made new friends from Spain, Russia, and Mexico. So it's a good atmosphere to meet some new friends, which you can meet in the future as mathematicians.
I would say that the most common way to learn, especially learn mathematics, is linear. So by linear I mean what happens when a student attends a course, say semester-long course, or reads a book. It's a long, slow building of foundation, and then eventually one has a vertical structure like a skyscraper or a tree. Obviously, this takes time, and summer school is a totally different format. It's short, and it's a non-linear way to learn. The students learn by absorbing what they hear, by talking informally with their fellow students and with the instructors. It's very important part of this format that instructors are available all the time, after dinner, late at night. This resembles the way working mathematicians deal with mathematics. If one waits until the whole foundation is built, chances are one would never come to the actual discovery of new things.
I think the interest is the principal thing, really, and they're intelligent. Many people sort of put the intelligence first, the brightness or something. For me, it's really the interest. I'm not terribly concerned with what they know. You know, if they're interested and don't know something, then I might be able to help out.
I mean, I sometimes give lectures at schools, actually, not so often, sometimes to very good students, but because they're here so carefully selected, one can talk at a much higher level and say really exciting mathematical things at a level that somebody can understand without having yet gone very far in the study of mathematics, and that's kind of unique. So it's really a special type of lecture that I've never seen anywhere else or given anywhere else.